Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Minecraft stuck on loading screen. So the first thing what we can do here, we need to make sure that your operating system, your GPU drivers, and your Java is fully updated. And to do so, to check it, first of all, go and search, and then you need to look for check for updates. And then press OK here, and then press check for updates button here. And if there is an update for you on your operating system, you need to download and install, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending of course on what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app, GeForce Experience. If you're using AMD, I believe there is an AMD Radeon app for that. Then you need to go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so, and then restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And then go on home, then go to Minecraft, then go to this little cog icon here, and then make sure that Minecraft is on optimal or the low, because sometimes it can cause loading screen issue because your computer is not having a lot of resources to run on, for example, highest quality. So make it to optimal or lower a bit, and then you need to make sure if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to configure Java here. Then you will see this window here, then press update and update to the latest version of Java here as well. And still, if you're having the problem here, then open up Task Manager and then end all the tasks related to overlay. So Discord has the overlay, Steam has GeForce Experience or your browsers. So sometimes it can cause the problem here, loading screen. So make sure to end all the tasks related to Discord to overlay, and then also end all the tasks that you don't use while playing the game and uses your CPU and memory. So, but make sure to end the tasks that you really know that they do not crash your computer, right? And after that, the next thing that we can do here is basically you need to open up search and then look for Minecraft launcher or Minecraft. And then what you need to do here, if you're playing if you're getting Minecraft not from Microsoft Store, it will be here when you right click on it, open file location, and then you need to open up. And if you're playing on basically Windows from the Windows Store, then you need to go to app settings, and then you need to scroll down and then press repair and reset. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. But if you're playing not from App Store, you just need to go to launcher, right click on it, open file location, and then I will show you what you need to do here next. And after you open the file location, then you need to basically go to program files, program files Xbox for me, and here should be a Minecraft. Then you need to right click on it, compatibility, make sure to run in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8 or 7, and then disable full screen optimizations and run as administrator, and then apply the changes. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to just press Windows and I key, then you will see this window here, then just write %, update the %, press OK, go to Minecraft, then go to saves, and if you have worlds, you just need to backup them. So what you need to do here is to copy the folder here and save it to your desktop like this, and then you need to just delete this folder here. Then you need to go back to Minecraft launcher, launch the game, and then basically Minecraft will reinstall the files. And after you do so, then go back on app data, go to Minecraft folder, and then just delete save folders and copy the saved folder that you backed up, right? And that's pretty much it what you need to do here if you're having basically if you're stuck on loading screen on Minecraft. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.